Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macagbo. On this topic, we talk about hair, cooking, building, and beauty. Yes, facial, skin, and all that, guys. So, on this week, I'm on 4,000 watch hour challenge, guys. So, I need all of you, your support to go onto my playlist and watch some of my other old videos, guys. Please, so you can get me my 4,000 watch hour, guys. So if you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you're always welcome. Thanks for your support. As you can see onto the title, guys, how to braid onto a sensitive scalp for mixed race children. As you can see, this little girl, and then the other thing that people don't understand is it's the texture of these mixed race kids. They're all different. They have kinky, soft, scaly, and then straight, and some are dry, super dry. So using the right shampoo, conditioner, and then leave-in conditioner, and then detangle and comb, and then the spray as well, the cream, the oil that works with your child hair, knowing that it can be helpful for the child's sensitive scalp, because it's when the hair is dry, and if you're trying to work with the hair, it makes the hair really dry, and then add to work with and pull onto the child's scalp, which makes it really sensitive. Yes, this is why most mixed race children refuse to braid their hair, because of the pain. It pulls onto their scalp. So this is what this topic is all about. So when this child came in to the shop, the hair was really moisturized. Our mom knows the right cream and then treatment and all. I don't know what she used, but it was super moisturized and soft. So as I was walking along with the hair, braiding it get dry at the end. So I'm going to talk about that as well, what to use to help the hair detangled, and then also to work with the hair without putting pressure onto the child's scalp or hair. Yes. And then also when you're braiding the child's hair, you need to use a little bit of extension. If it happens, you're gonna use extensions, just a small extensions, because some of these mixed race kids, they have super bushy, kinky, and full hair, thick, you see. So using small extensions like this just to add with their own hair to make help with the braids to be a bit neater and then last for them for a long time. So as you can see, how I was braiding, I wasn't putting pressure onto the scalp. I was just holding the hair firmly and bringing it up. Yes, not pulling, putting more pressure. No, this is why sometimes it pull onto their scalp, because the hair doesn't need it. You just have to hold the hair firmly and braid the hair all the way to the top. Yes, as you're braiding the hair all the way to the top, that's when you start holding it tight, because sometimes as the hair is getting old, or if it happens it need washing, sometimes our own hair will be sticking out of the braid. So it's only when you're braiding to the end you make it tighter, not when you're attaching the extensions to the child's hair you put pressure. No, it's only when you're braiding it to the top then you make it a bit tighter, so that way the braids can last. Yes, so as you can see what I'm doing, the hair become dry a bit, but not super dry, just the ends, the top of the hair. Sometimes it's hard to work with because of the tight curls the hair has. Yes, so using the oil and water, it makes a lot of difference, my dear. Oil and water is the best to detangle any kind of hair, afro kinky hair, mixed race kids. So using the oil and water, then also adding the moisturizer cream, it really helped me to braid sensitive scalp, just like so easy. You can see how my fingers are going through the braids without, you know, tightening the scalp. Then I'm just braiding slowly and easy, because I detangle the hair while I am braiding the hair, which you have to do. Oil and water, then you comb the hair through Then you add in moisturizer as well. Cream, anyone that resonate with the child's scalp, but using oil on its own is just not helping the hair. Use the moisturizer. Cream, anyone that suits the child's hair, you go along with it. There is few or leave-in conditioner, but leave-in conditioner with water, it's also good as well. But leave-in conditioner makes the hair really dry quickly. It doesn't last. As you can see, while I'm dividing the hair, it's so easy for me to work with because I detangle while I am braiding the hair using my oil and water and moisturizer cream. Yes, guys. And then not to use too much extension attachment onto the child's hair because she already got a lot of her own hair. It's just to braid it really nice and tight. Braid it like I am braiding it now, tight, so that when the hair is getting old or it happens you want to wash it, our own hair will not be sticking out, to be honest, because the attachment I used was Lagos braid. It matches a hair color, just because when it's getting old, as you know, they do PE in school, it's easy to manage and pulled up, and then the mom can wash the hair as well without her own hair sticking out. So the only side you have to braid really tight, it's the top of her hair. Yes, the ends, they need to be tightened while you're braiding it, not onto the scalp. Onto the scalp you just go gentle, just like I'm doing it, gentle, and go slowly, not too fast. Don't rush, because the moment you rush, especially when it comes to the cornrow, you also pull towards the scalp. Just go gentle, detangle the hair, comb the hair through with big tooth comb, and then all that, using the child's hair color. It's really good because when the hair is getting old, you can see the difference, especially for some people that when they're braiding the hair to the top, the ends, they don't make it very tight. So when the hair is getting old, it looks really rough and it shows the two different colors. But using the right color, like for her it was color 4, it matches her hair very well. For school PE, it matches just make them cute, make them cute. Yes, I hope you find good hairdressers can help your child's hair. Yes, and then they don't pull onto the child's hair. Yes, I hope you find one locally. If not, if you live around Bolton, Manchester, you can always locate us at Biracial Gate, guys. It's pain-free for any kind of sensitive scalp, guys. Please go along and watch some of my old videos. Go onto my playlist. There's few videos how to mix that oil, treatment you can use, product. If you want to find product, just contact me, I will help you. Once I feel the child's hair, like I said, they got different texture of hair and then volume, I will be able to help you. More is coming.